Alright, just got the Ajazz AK820. I kid you not, I could not find this anywhere in stock, but fortunately a shop was selling a review unit that was only used for 2 months, just for reviewing, so I got that for 2300 taka, which is like less than 20 bucks, still got 10 months warranty left. And here I'm just gonna unbox this keyboard and just show you the glory at its peak. I have no idea what I just said. But anyway, this is the red switch version, which is I think in this black monochrome only, and it's got shine through keycaps, and the volume knob looks so premium, but I'm not gonna use that because I adjust the sound with my mouse. It just sounds so creamy. And here's the back side. I don't know what does this TechOBS stand for with Ajazz. And we also have the keycap puller, which I think you can also pull off the switch since it's hot swappable. And we got the Type-C cable. It's not the tri-mode version, it's the base version. Some user manuals, nobody's gonna read it of course. So this is the keyboard I've been using for almost 6 years, the Fantech K613 TKL. It's a membrane keyboard and I'm gonna compare it with the new keyboard. Just got it plugged in and oh my god, do you see that beautiful monochrome light? Here's how it looks in the dark. Of course it's not RGB, just a single light, and it is working just fine. Let's see, can I turn off the lights using the function and maybe the down key? And yeah, oh okay. So even after restart, it still remembers the light being off. That's cool. Wait a second, where's the print button? How am I gonna take a screenshot? Actually, I figured it out. You just hold the function key and the page up button, and then you can take a screenshot. Alright, time to take the switch out. Oh, okay. As you can see, it is red switch and it has a gasket mount at this price range. That is insane. And for the ultimate sound test, here you go. What do you guys think? Talky or creamy? Let me know in the comments.